Hello, good morning, children. Welcome to science class. Remember last week we learned about living things, and we said living things are living creatures that can move. Okay, they have life, they can grow, they can give birth to their young ones, they can eat, and so on. So today we'll be learning, and also I think we also did animals and their sounds. So we'll be moving on to animals, and today we'll be learning about animals' movements. Animals' movements. Animals move about in the different environments. Okay, I remember we said environment is where you live. Okay, where you live, where you play, where you anywhere you can see around you. So animals move around using different parts of their body. Okay, like for example, you are a living thing. A person is a living thing. Human being is a living thing, and you move around with your legs. So the same thing applies to animals. They move around using different parts of their body depending on the kind of animal you are talking about or you are referring to. So different animals, like I said, they move with different parts of their body, such as the fins, such as legs, such as wings, such as tails, and so on. Some animals move on four legs, others on two legs. Animals can run, they can walk, they can jump, they can hop, they can slither, they can swim, or they can fly. Let me take that again. Animals can run, they can hop or jump, they can swim. Animals can fly, they can crawl, they can slither, or they can climb. And we have different kinds of animals that can run. Okay? And as you can see here, we have dogs, animals that can run. We have dogs, we have lion, we have tiger, we have cat, we have zebra. Good. Now, run. When you run on four legs. Okay, look at this dog running on its four legs. One, two, three, four. And another thing you have to know when running is that you move at a speed. And when you run, you are faster than when you are having a walk. And when you run, you run, you will never run on both feet on the ground at the same time. Okay? The both feet will not be on the ground at the same time. Look at this dog. All the feet are not on the ground at the same time. So when you run, okay, you run, you will run and you will never have both feet on the ground at the same time. And like I've mentioned also, that animals that can run are dogs, lion, tiger, cat, zebra rather. So the next one movement is hopping or jumping. So, and we said examples are of animals that hop or jump are rabbit, kangaroo, grasshopper, squirrel. Now let's look at this rabbit hopping. Look at this rabbit hopping. And when you hop, you move by jumping on one foot. When you hop, you move by jumping on one foot. Let's look at the next movement. Swim. Okay, swim. Under swimming, you can see animals. Under swimming, you have fish, shark, dolphin, turtle. You have them under swimming. So let's look at these fishes. Another thing about you have to know about swimming is you have to move the body through water by using what? Fishes use in the case of fish and other animals that live in water, they use their fins. Look at their fins. They use their fins and they use their tails to swim. They use their tail to move their body through water. Okay, that is swimming. To move your body through water. And in the case of fish and other animal that lives in water, they use their fins and tails. So let's look at the next movement. Fly. An animal that flies. We have birds, we have butterfly, we have bee, we have bats. So let's look at this. Let's look at these birds. The birds are flying, or you can say they are moving in the air using their wings. Using their wings. They are using their wings to move in the air. They are using their wings to move in the air. So let's look at the next movement. We have crawl. And animals that crawl, we have caterpillar, we have crab, caterpillar, crab, we have ant, crocodile, lizard, tortoise. So let's look at this. Look at this crab. When you crawl, you move forward on the hands and knees, or you drag your body close to the ground. This is crawling, okay? When you move forward on the hands and knees, or by dragging the body close to the ground. This is a crab. Now let's look at the next animal movement. We have slither. And examples of animals that slither are snake, worm, salamander, snail. So let's look at this. And then we have a snake here. And when you slither, you move over a surface without legs. You move over a surface. Look at this surface. The snake is actually slithering on the ground. And when you slither, you move over a surface without legs. Slither, when you slither and when you crawl, they are very similar, but they are different. A child can crawl, okay? And basically, you use animals with legs crawl, but animals without legs slither. Did you get that? Animals without legs slither. So you slither without legs, while you crawl with legs. So let's look at the last animal movement. We have climb. Climbing means animals that climbs are monkey, look at this monkey climbing the tree. When you climb, you go or come up a slope. You can climb a tree, you can climb a mountain, you can climb a hill, or you can climb the staircase. Yes, you can climb the tree, mountain, hill, or staircase. So to do a quick one, we learned about animal movement and we said animals can climb and we said examples are monkey, and when you climb, you go up or down or come down up a surface. And we said animal can slither and when you move on a surface without legs. And we said animals can also crawl. We gave example. We said crab, and we said you crawl with legs, and you drag your body close to the ground. And we said animals can also fly, and we gave example as birds. And we said when you fly, you move in the air with or using your wings. And also we said swim. We said fishes can swim using their fins and tails. And when you swim, you move the body through water. And we said animals can hop, and when you hop, you jump on one foot. And finally, we said animals can run, and when you run, you're always very fast and faster than when you walk. And when you run, you will never have both feet on the ground at the same time. Okay, so if you have any question, please send them through the comment box. Have a great day.